Welcome to Classic Car Cave. I'm just going to do a really short video on a piece of equipment I got from my brother-in-law. He's had it for some period of time and never used it, and I bought it from him. And it's been sitting in his garage for ages. I've just put the plug on it because obviously there was a British 3-pin plug on it. But what's really nice about this is these double spot welders are not that expensive. You can buy them from £200, £250 to £500, whatever, depending on how much scale they've got them, and as far as the amperage and the voltage goes and so on. But I have another welder which was very expensive. It's actually a double spot welder, but it's hydraulic, so it's hydraulically clamping. It has a single spot welder which is a pistol operated, and also carbon rods on it so you can heat and shrink panels. It also has for the W springs and the spikes, you can use it with a slide hammer on it, so it's really good. The problem with it is, when I bought it, it was supposed to be for domestic use. Now it's 25 amps and the maximum we've got here is 20 amps, so if I use it once it'll run, but if I try and use it too quickly afterwards, it loads up the cable and basically trips the switch. So we can put down in the bottom garage, we can put a different amperage fuse in it and it'll be okay, because I've got 3-phase down there as well. But I just wanted to show you this. I got it off him for 250 quid. Now that might seem a lot for this, but when I show you what else was with it, you can see it was actually a bargain. I'm sure you would have got more for it, but anyway. But what's good is this is a tool that I bought for my other welder. Basically what it is a double cutter for the nose. I'll just make sure that is off. So you can basically pop it in there and you can cut the copper and cut the new face on it, so you get the minimum, or you get the correct amount for your spot weld. And I'll show you this when I pick the camera up. So you can see there where it's got really nice tips on it now. So because it's double-sided, this tool, it means you cut both sides at the same time, which is great. And you can see that you've just got that centre piece now, instead of the thing being completely round and being too large. So that's what it came with. It's a Taskmaster, and it comes with this box here. So basically you switch it on there, you've got your different amperages and so on. But what's really nice about it is it comes with all that. So you can see how many arm extensions there is on this. It's a complete kit basically. I mean, just these two of these arm extensions, depending on the length, they can be from 100 to 150 a pop. So you can see the amount that's in there, plus all the top joints, electrodes and all kinds of stuff. Yeah, so for me it was a bargain, because just some of those longer arms, let me just turn it around, you can see this is where all the other stuff goes. Just those longer arms alone are worth that kind of money. And I've just tried it now, and I'll show you. Excuse me, I'm going to put that light on a second. Sorry about this. You can see a bit better then. You can see I've just spot welded along here just to check it, and then I put an overlap there just to see, and it's strong as hell. It's not in the vise very well, but it works. In fact, so I can open it up, I can show you. You can see there's the spot weld all the way up it. I just wanted to see how good it was, and it looks excellent, and it doesn't damage the face of the metalwork either too much. You see a lot of them and they dent in quite a lot. The only downside I would say with this is, let me turn this back off, it is off, good. The only downside with this is you need to adjust it here. So you need to adjust that pressure there to get that grip right. And it's pretty heavy, but like I say, I think for that kind of money, for 250 quid, it was a steal. Very happy with it, works really well. And if they cleaned the tips, you get virtually no sparks from it. It's really nice and controlled. I don't know what these Taskmasters, I should imagine it's fairly old, but as I say, I'm very happy with it, and I would like to get the other one working, because it's being hydraulic, it's so nice, but as I said, it's breaking the circuit breaker. So there we are. I just thought I'd give you a quick update on this. Oh, and by the way, these are the original headlights from this Citroen, and it looks like, I might be lucky here, it looks like there was nothing with this, it's just the bowl and that one there. And I was thinking try and make a cap for that would be extremely difficult, but it looks like the XK ones, the old XK ones I've got might fit. If that's the case, it's only a matter of then trying to find glass for it, and they would look much superior, but as you can see, they're in a fairly poor state. All this would have to come out, it's rotten. So that would have to come out, and I'd probably have to get them, get all the dents out, because there's a lot of dents and stuff in them. This one's not so bad, but this one's quite in poor shape, as you can see. But anyway, it was that I wanted to show you. So really pleased with it, and it works extremely well. I'll give you a quick demo before I knock off. So you can see, pretty effective. Just wanted to let you have a look at it and see what you think of it, and I will be using it a lot, particularly on the Mark III Mini rebuild and on this as well, on this Citroen. So as usual, stay safe, keep the faith, enjoy your hobby, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.